Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial how to change CAD plan. So if you create new design, click File, New and Design. The CAD plan will be automatically set into the top plan or GX plan. So if you want to change, you can click End CAD Editing and click again CAD Mode. Now you can move the cursor to change the CAD plan. Like as example, I will set into this plan XY and you can click to apply. Now you can click plan view and you can draw like a rectangle. Click and CAD editing. Use pull tools to convert into 3D this object. You also can create again the new plans by using this plan tools. You can click this icon plan. And for reference, I will select this face like this. It will be create new plan. Now you can use move tools to move the selected plan to the top here. Okay, I will create again plans like in this face, and then use move tools. You can select the plan, can move in blue axis. Okay, that's it for basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial how to change CAD plan. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.